everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian, this is Pop at 50. We're coming at you today with a Patreon request, Cascada's Summer of Love. I don't know if this is 1967 or if this is what this summer should be, because it sure as shit ain't fixing to be one for me. We're going to find out. Yes, join the Patreon at patreon.com/SuperMachoJediKnight and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's pop.
This is a summer of love. Oh, I feel my heart is dancing. If you wanna dance with me, get ready, there's a party tonight. Whoa, we gonna dance so free. Let's do it for the very first time. Whoa.
Okay, yeah, let's.
You better wake up, the party's gonna take off. We're living for a Saturday night.
Oh my it is Saturday night.
Are you ready for the time of your life?
I am, in fact. Bring it to me.
This is the summer of love.
For about 3 songs like this dancing on the beach, and then I'm like, I was just you go, it's good.
It makes us feel
Get all that sand in your shoes, though. I don't know.
I need a thrill of ecstasy, so DJ, come and give us a ride. Whoa, we're losing gravity. The party is about to ignite.
Gravity's going nowhere, baby.
So put your hands up, your body's gonna take off. We're living for a Saturday night. All the boys on the floor, are you ready for the time of your life? This is the summer of love.
Is that a pair of turntables in there? I feel that it is.
I feel my heart is dancing. Summer of love.
Yeah, I was right. I was correct.
It makes me feel alive. Keep rocking your body. Rocking the party. Rock everybody. Welcome to the summer of love. Oh, it makes us feel alive. Keep rocking your body. Rocking the party. Rock everybody. Welcome to the summer of love.
I feel that I could get down to this at a beach party, though, even though I would be, like, dead in a half hour.
Oh, it makes us feel alive. Summer of love. Welcome to the summer of love. I feel my heart is dancing. Summer of love.
That's a weird breakdown in the middle of all this. We're almost done. It's kind of late in the game for this kind of breakdown, right?
It makes me feel alive. This is the summer of love. Summer of
We'll
love.
have different
Keep
players.
rocking your body. Rocking the party. Rock everybody. Welcome to the summer of love. Oh, it makes us feel alive.
Yes, it does. That was a lot of fun. That was a nice dance pop tune that I could get with on the beach myself. Even though, like I said, I would be like dehydrated in like 4 seconds and all tuckered out. And I gotta exercise more. What can I tell you? But it was a lot of great fun, and it was brought to us by one of our spectacular patrons here at patreon.com/supermacho Jedi Knight. Keep popping, babies.